Okay, ji, so Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. We are starting with algebra today. Okay, and this algebra is going to be the revision of each and every concept which we have done so far. So let's start with the expansion first. 3 multiplied by x plus 5 is your question. You need to expand it. So first what I will do is 3 multiplied by x and then 3 multiplied by 5. So what do I get? 3x plus 15, right? What if I am having minus 3 now? So minus 3 multiplied by x minus 5 is my question. This is question 1, this is question 2. So now minus 3 multiplied by x is minus 3x, and minus 3 multiplied by minus 5 is minus becomes a plus. 5 3s are 15. Okay, third question. Let's say if we are having x plus 2 multiplied by 4 and a minus 3 is also here. So first 4 multiplied by x and then 4 multiplied by 2. It becomes 4x plus 4 2s are 8 minus 3. Now 4x plus 5 is your answer. You cannot add these two terms because one has an x and one is a constant. That's why. Let's solve more questions related to it. Okay. Let's say you are having a question which says 3x plus 5 multiplied by 2x minus 4. Okay, so let's do it like this. First 3x will be taken outside and it will be multiplied with 2x minus 4. Okay, then 5 will be taken outside and then 2x minus 4. So what I am doing is I am multiplying this with this entire first and then this again with this entire first. Okay, now let's start with the multiplication. 3x multiplied by 2x like this is 6x square minus 4 into 3 is 12x, right? 5 into 2 is 10x, and then I'm having 5 into 4 is going to be 5 into minus 4 is going to be a minus 20. Okay, now 6x square minus 2x minus 20 is going to be your answer because x square, x and 20, they cannot be solved further. Let's look at one more example. Okay, so for suppose you are having a question like this, 10x minus 4, 3x minus 1 is your question. Okay, let's do it once again. 10x multiplied by 3x minus 1, then minus 4 will be multiplied with 3x minus 1. Okay, 10x into 3x makes a 30x square. Now 10x minus 1 makes a minus 10x, right? After this 4 multiplied by 3 is, and minus sign as well, minus 12x. Now minus plus 4 ones are 4. Okay, so 30x square minus 22x plus 4 is your answer. Okay, let's do one more question, but this is going to be a different type now. Okay, this is a question of like terms. For example, you are having minus 4 into 1 plus 5x, then a minus 11x. Okay, let's solve it now. So minus 4 will be multiplied with 4 and then 5. So minus 4 minus 5x. Now minus makes a plus when they are multiplied. So plus 11x. Okay, So minus 4 minus 5x plus 11x makes a plus 6x. Now this is going to be your final answer. Let's do one more question. Okay, so for example, you are having a question like this: minus 4 minus 9. Revision of these integers is also being done here because students tend to do mistake in it. Always remember, beta, when you are having two signs same, that is minus and a minus, so you add the number. What do you get? 9 plus 4 is 13, right? And then the sign of bigger number. With 9, what do I have? A minus, right? So I will put minus as it is. Fine. Come to next example. For example, it was a minus 4 plus 9. Now I can see the signs of these two are different, minus and a plus. So this means I will subtract the number. 9 minus 4 is what? A 5. Agreed. And sign of the bigger number comes once again. Okay. Let's take another example. If it was a plus 9 and a plus 4. Now the signs are same once again, plus and a plus. I normally add the number and sign of your bigger number comes. Now for suppose if you are having a plus 4 minus 9. Two signs are different, plus and a minus. I subtract the numbers. That is your 9 minus 5, 9 minus 4 is 5. And sign of the bigger number is minus, so minus comes here. These are the basics. Let's come to multiply questions now. Okay, so for example, a question was given to you: minus 3 multiplied by minus 5. Here minus multiplied by minus makes a plus, and 5 threes are 15. Now let's suppose you are having a question: minus 12x multiplied by 4. So what does it become? Minus multiplied by plus. When there is no sign, consider it a plus. So minus multiplied by plus is a minus always. So 4 into 12 is going to be 48x. Now for suppose if you had minus 12x multiplied by minus 4x. Always remember, x multiplied by x is going to be an x square. 4 multiplied by 12 is 48. And minus minus makes a plus. So remember the rules: minus multiplied by minus is equals to plus. Minus multiplied by plus is equals to a minus. And plus multiplied by the minus is equals to a minus. Okay.